Everyone thinks the best-selling peppermint essential oil is automatically the best one, but is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Handcraft Blends Peppermint Oil. The Handcraft Blends Peppermint Essential Oil. This huge 4-ounce bottle is priced at just $9.99, and honestly, the size really caught my attention. If you want a pure and natural peppermint oil for all your aromatherapy needs, this is worth a serious look. This oil is 100% pure and natural, meaning you're not getting any fillers or additives, just the invigorating scent of peppermint. Many people look for essential oils to revitalize their space or give them an energy boost, and this oil promises just that. It's tested by an independent lab, so you can trust that what you see on the label is what you're getting. Plus, it comes in an amber glass bottle to protect the oil from UV rays, which is really important to maintain its potency. Now, some people complained about the dropper not dispensing the oil smoothly. Here's the thing though, while that can be annoying, it doesn't really change the quality of the oil itself. You can always use a different dropper if you find it a hassle. This is perfect for you if you're into DIY projects like soap making or need an essential oil for your diffuser. Skip this one if you're looking for a smaller bottle or prefer a wider variety of scents to choose them. At this price point, it genuinely offers great value for money. Now, if the dropper issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Brooklyn Botany Peppermint Oil. We have Brooklyn Botany's Peppermint Essential Oil, also priced at $9.99 for the same 4-ounce size. It caught my eye with its promise of being 100% pure and natural. If you're seeking a potent oil for aromatherapy, this one could be just what you need. What stands out here is its premium grade quality. Like the handcraft blends, this oil also undergoes independent lab testing to ensure its potency and effectiveness. It's not just good for diffusing, you can also use it on your skin after diluting with a carrier oil. This flexibility is a big plus for anyone looking to enhance their self-care routine. Plus, it mixes well with other essential oils, making it a great addition to your collection. However, some users mention that the scent is not as strong as they expected. Here's the thing though, essential oils can vary in strength based on the source and extraction method, but many users still find it effective for relaxation and stress relief. This is perfect for you if you want an oil that blends well with others and enhances your aromatherapy experience. Skip this if you strictly want a more powerful scent right out of the bottle. Overall, it's a solid option without breaking the bank. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those seeking stress relief.
Product number 3, Majestic Pure Peppermint Oil. We have the Majestic Pure Peppermint Essential Oil. If you want a slightly higher quality option, this one is worth checking out. This oil is also 100% pure and natural, which is essential if you're looking for quality in your aromatherapy experience. What's great about this oil is that it's not just for diffusing, it's versatile enough for use in soaps and candles too. It even includes a glass dropper for precise application, minimizing waste. Many people appreciate that it's sourced from various regions to provide the best quality, which is why you can rely on its effectiveness for stress relief and revitalization. But some reviews mention that it may be pricier than similar oils. Here's the thing, while it's a bit more expensive, the quality and the effectiveness in calming the mind and body can justify the price for many users. This is perfect for you if you want an oil that's effective for both relaxation and DIY projects. Skip this if you're on a tight budget and looking for the cheapest option. For what you get, it's a worthwhile investment. Now, if the price is a concern, the next product could be a better fit for your needs.
Product number 4, Essentially Kate's Peppermint Oil. Essentially Kate's Peppermint Essential Oil, priced at just $8.98 for a generous 4-ounce bottle. If budget is your main concern, this is definitely worth a look. It's marketed as undiluted and can be a great entry-level option for essential oil enthusiasts. This oil is steam distilled from the herb, which means you're getting a pure product. It's perfect for aromatherapy, creating your own cleaners, or even as a soothing massage oil when mixed with a carrier oil. The versatility here is a big plus, especially if you want to explore different ways to use peppermint oil in your routine. However, some users found that the scent can be a bit too mild for their liking. Here's my take. While a stronger scent can be pleasant, it's possible that some people prefer a less overwhelming aroma, making this a good choice for those sensitive to strong scents. This is perfect for you if you're looking to experiment with peppermint oil without spending too much. Skip this if you're picky about scent strength and need something more potent. For the price, it's an excellent value. Now, if you're looking for something that offers a bit more in terms of versatility, the final product might just do the trick.
Product number 5, Munisna Peppermint Essential Oil. We have the Munisna Peppermint Essential Oil, which is priced at $7.49 for a 100 milliliter bottle. This is an excellent value if you want to stock up without spending too much. If you love DIY projects, this oil could be a great companion. This peppermint oil is undiluted and offers a fresh, invigorating scent, perfect for any season. Its versatility shines in its ability to be used for skincare, air freshening, and even hair care. The oil includes properties that may help with headaches and muscle tension, which is a big draw for those looking for natural relief. That being said, some users reported that the smell fades quickly. Here's the deal. While it might not last as long as more premium options, it can still serve its purpose effectively, especially if you're using it in a diffuser or in DIY recipes. This is perfect for you if you enjoy crafting your own products or want a minty, fresh scent around your home. Skip this if long-lasting scent is your top priority. For the price, it's a solid choice that won't break the bank.
So, to wrap it up, we looked at 5 fantastic peppermint essential oils. Handcraft blends in Brooklyn Botany are great for those who want pure quality, while Majestic Pure offers versatility for DIY lovers. Essentially Kate's is perfect for budget-conscious buyers, and Munisna is your go-to for crafting and home freshness. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so pick the one that fits your needs best.